guys, welcome to 15-day self-care challenge. We live in a fast-paced world where taking care of ourselves often takes a backseat to our busy lives and responsibilities. This challenge is designed to help you prioritize self-care, promote overall well-being, and cultivate a healthier, happier you. For the next 2 weeks, I'm going to share some self-care ideas. I hope it will help you to guide in your life. And also, you can include those ideas in your daily routine. Make sure that you don't miss any. Subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Bye bye.